It's a little chilly out today. I think it's under 40 degrees. We have a small corporate event today. So we're gonna load some things up in the Jeep and go to the storage unit here in just a couple of minutes. We're gonna be recording a live stream for an architectural company. Good thing it's an indoor show. All right, let's button up the Jeep and get off to the storage unit. Well, welcome to the storage unit. Anyone who knows me, I think knows I'm a pretty organized guy. This is killing me. I gotta get some shelves in here. They're out there, I just gotta buy them. Maybe next time you see it, it's gonna be all dressed up. All right, let's get the stuff we need. And it all fits in the Jeep. This is gonna be a really small setup. I've got a red bin of some cables that I need. I've got a digital mixer. We've got some wired microphones, small speaker. I'll explain that in a little bit, and a cart to bring it all in. I also brought some wireless microphones. It's not on their order for this particular event, but during the conversation, one person kept talking about lavalier microphones. I don't know why they kept mentioning that, but I brought 3 of them just in case. So we'll see how this flows. So, not too exciting a video. You really didn't get to see anything of the show. You know, actually that happens where their content is confidential, so I can't be recording while they are going over, you know, the information of their company. It was a really good show. It was I think it was fun. It was easy for me that I was recording sound. I had 5 microphones set up, tabletop mics, and we had a call in. So I had sound from a computer and the 5 tabletop mics. So at the end of the day, I turned in an audio file so that they can do the editing that they need, so they can put together their webinar and push that off to all of their employees or the other folks that need to be looking at that. Maybe some of their customers as well. Simple things that I'm probably just going to have to show you in another video. That on each presenter, I use some basic compression to try and keep all their volumes as close as possible. As a person was presenting, they would be talking towards the mic, but then they would turn so that they were talking towards something else that they were looking at, a PowerPoint slide on a video monitor, and so the volume would go up and down. And so I was just doing some work to try and keep everything sounding good, sounding level, and I think they'll be really pleased with it. So it was my pleasure to have some work today here in Dallas. I was by the Galleria Mall in that general vicinity, so it was 20-30 minutes from where I live. Much better than a 20-hour drive someplace else, as much as I love that. Okay, thanks for tuning in and watching the video, and there's more coming up soon. Lots more coming up soon.